Hello everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly clear up space in Outlook and prevent those full of notification of full storage. Okay, so first off, you want to open the Microsoft Outlook on your browser or the app, whichever you prefer, or you can find Outlook by searching from your browser or from your Windows searching. And then once you have this, you can sign in with your email so that you can get full features of Outlook. Once you have logged in, move into the settings icon, also located on the top of right of your screen. This icon gives you access various configuration within Outlook. By clicking this, you'll open a drop-down menu. You can select or view Outlook settings in here. But what we want to focus here, you click on the account button here, and then once the account setting has appeared, you can go to the storage section. As you can see here, this is a Microsoft storage, and there is a complete information of how the storage is being filled with. As you can see here, there's a deleted item, junk email, sent items, everything is in here. Click on the folder you want to manage, select all the messages, and then try to decide you want to empty all of them or you want to just delete it for 3 months. And then if you want, this is going to be permanently deleted. So it is very important to maintain your email folder so that it can have more space. I think that's all for today's video. I hope this can be very helpful for those who want to maintain your Outlook storage. Thank you very much.